So it is pretty simple to set up your Apple Pay. You should head on to your app, which is the wallet app, then tap on the plus sign button. After that is you need to add your debit or credit card to be able to proceed, then press on continue. Now it will ask for your details for your card, then you should provide it simply to activate your Apple Pay. You should add card, I mean. You can position your debit or your credit card in the frame to scan it if you want it to do it automatically. And you can also do it manually where you provide your details, your information, just like your name, your card number, the expiration date of the card, and its security code. Then after that, it will activate your card, and you can now proceed to setting it up just like having to pay with Apple Cash.